onto it. I'm going to show you how to get some free Garlicoin via 2 faucets. So I recently discovered the Garlicoin, and I thought it'd be interesting to get some free Garlicoin. I'm not sure if it's a good coin or not, but you can get it for free. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for some more crypto videos. So to get started and claim some free Garlicoin every day. So this one's every 8 hours you can claim. This one's every 12 hours you can claim. What you need to do is you can go onto the website from garlicoin.io and then click the get started. And then scroll down. We got our faucets. These ones I just put up. And as well the wallet. So you need to create a wallet. The one I like is called the Garlicoin Android wallet. You can also use the web wallet as well. I like this one, the Garlicoin Android wallet. I have it right here. So it looks like this. Once you download it and you set it all up, you just need to go to receive, and this is where we would be sending the Garlicoin to. So then you just put in, and then you're good to go. And then every 8 hours you can claim again. And same with this one. So I like to do it maybe like once a day. I don't like to time it every single time. So yes, that's it for today's video. Maybe it wasn't the most interesting, but it's a free faucet that you can check out if you think it's interesting.